Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my today's trade. Based on our live session, we are finding out some trades for intraday on basis of Bollinger Band strategy. And that end of the day, what is happening on the trade and how that system is working. So that I'm going to discuss in this video. And also, we have already created the setup for stock sponsor first 5 minutes as well as 15 minutes time frame. And we are going to take selling opportunities like hammer, shooting star, doji, inverted hammer kind of thing, which is forms over and above upper Bollinger Band. The things we are going to find out. This one as a Navin fluoride, we are finding out based on the upper Bollinger Band and mark that upper Bollinger Band indicator. Based on that upper Bollinger Band, we find out on a trade opportunity at this bar. It's a spinning top. That scan we are not scanned yet, and this stock we are finding out for a three consecutive reversal bars. Three consecutive higher high bars forms in the stock, and it is traveling to the upper Bollinger Band. And the fourth candle, which forms a spinning top kind of thing, which is forming on that candle. After that, the spinning top, the entry point where we are focusing. This is what my trade opportunity using Bollinger Band. I'm trying to find out this kind of trade. And today we have on the live sessions today, we find out this stuff is about 4,604 is our entry point, and 4,639 should be the stop loss for the trade. And when that price got triggered at this bottom, and if you look at that, the stock coming down to 4460. So I tried to take the options trade in this particular stock, but it's not quite liquid about the stock, and it moved to the lower Bollinger Band. So that is what our target mean price ME 20 ME, right? So when it is triggered, sorry, LME, and then it coming down to the reaching the lower Bollinger Band. So the kind of trade almost 30-point rest and almost 150 points down on that Navin fluoride, which we find out no other logic, very simple. The stock which form a reversal candlesticks pattern about to the upper Bollinger Band. So that is what the small condition which we have used for finding out the reversal trade in the particular stocks. And few trades which we have focused today, and like LTI. So that one which we have taken LTI for an intraday opportunity. That LTI whenever it crossed above 168 and immediately it moves to 190. That is also generating the profit because we are not able to continue the live session. And after our live session ends on the 11 o'clock, so then it got a trigger up to 11 o'clock. The trade is not triggered yet, and after 11 o'clock the trade got triggered. The particular thing which we have earlier marked above 168, and the 168 got triggered around 11:15. We exited near before 11, 10:50, 10:50, 10:55, something we have exited out of the trade on the live session in the today's morning on the YouTube. And now it is 169 figures, and within a 10 minutes breakout kind of trade is giving you more than 3,000 rupees. The second one, mine tree, that is also we are focusing that mine tree about 120 something level we are waiting for, 170, 118 above we are waiting for. The trade got triggered at this point 117, this area of 11:15, the same which is happening on 11:15, and then it immediately moves towards within a 10 minutes almost 145. So these two trades is depending or based on the 45-degree angle stock. Both are worked well, and daily we are finding out the stock is for a 45 degree that is working well on our intraday trades. Those who are watching my live sessions, they may know very well. And this is what a trade which we are finding out. And based on the same pattern, we have seen Tata Motors in the morning, but that is also not triggered in the earlier, the middle time. It triggers about our entry point around 125, then it moves to 127.5. Almost 2.5 rupees is generated. Now that Bollinger Band is very flat. So here, this is what the candle which is forming in the first 5 minutes, even 15 minutes or whatever the 5 minutes, looking like a hammer kind of thing. which is forming below to the lower Bollinger Band. Once it is forms below the lower Bollinger Band, let's look at the reversal on the stock. Is highly possible. At this moment, it never breaks the low. That means it not triggers your stop loss, right? And it breaks above that level, and it will gives you two rupees, 2.5 rupees at the max. So this is what our trade opportunity which we are finding out for a trade based on the Bollinger Band. And even some stocks we are finding out based on these methods that was working well on an intraday basis. Like lot of stocks I seen after that, and that was worked well. And let's look at this about a Tata Steel, but it is not about today. It's about extending. So spinning top of kind of candle may be forming at this level. Maybe first time it triggers your stop loss. The second time it triggers your entry point. Maybe 2 or 3 times the risk is about just 25 paisa. But you see that result after that it moves down to somewhere around 4 or 5 rupees. That is what the thing which I'm expecting for the stock. I think VDL we are focusing for today, the early morning session, and this is also be that is happening on yesterday. But today it started and then it moving down, closed. That's about yesterday. And today we find out that one for a buying opportunity, but this time it was triggers and touches the upper Bollinger Band. So that is the reason we are not taking about this stock. But the stock which is entirely below to the lower Bollinger Band and the Bollinger Band should be the great opportunity, the reversal. Chloride, which are yes, sir, serum transport. This is what a candle which is about to the Bollinger Band, and the risk for 30 points, but end of the day, till it is very negative. That means very flat. No big move. There we are planning for options. That is also initially moves, and there is a kind of swing trading opportunity. Sorry, scalping kind of opportunity which is present on that particular thing. And STFC also we are finding out, but it is not upon any candlesticks pattern, right? So it is open below. Here, this is the candle which is not, it is triggered already. We ignored it, right? It is already triggered that Bollinger Bands, I think. Dixon, we are watching it for, and this one. Dixon, we are waiting for. This is also moves good. This candle, hammer, which is forms below Bollinger, lower Bollinger. But it triggers above, it may have the opportunity, can it go above this level, but unfortunately no entry on that. But what happened that after that it keep on continues down and it's going down, it continues the trend. So we are waiting for the reversal in the opportunity. And as we said earlier, the bank nifty doesn't move very well, and it may be a range bound, and nifty also is suggested to close at 18,300 to 350, exactly closed by 18,357. 18,357 is the close price in Nifty. And Bank Nifty is about 458, the flat close. And also we seen in the early morning about the short straddle, a strategy that is ending with the 2,900. So initial stage itself, the call 42,500 call got triggers our stop loss. Now 42,500 that hit our stop loss, stop it, right? At the time initially itself. That options also became zero, and the put option that was ending with a 40. But already we lost somewhere around 700 rupees in put. The call, stop it, 30%. And the put is not triggered your stop loss, and the end of the day it closed with. Let's look at that. It is an exit by 3 o'clock 10 minutes. That is what our exit time. We sold 122. I think it is 8 rupees at 310 exited, and it is 42. And this one, let's look at that. It sold at 88 and it went up to 116. That is what our stop was here, and we exited out. But unfortunately, this is also closing zero. This is what the time decay in weekly options, that was always going to the premium decay. So that is the reason the premium which is giving you benefit. The simple strategy, nothing about on the strategy. The time entry time is about 9:30. Sell, we are selling C and B ATM strike prices. The nearest to the 9:30 closing price. Then we are going to make 30% stop loss for each the leg. 30%. That is what a stop we are going to mention. Right? And the another exit time is time based entry 310 exit. So this conditions daily generating a profit. Today it was 2K profit because of time decay. Because of this water expiry date, most of the premium, that is ATM and OTM, became zero. And the same thing which we are going to find out the stock which forms a above upper Bollinger Band, that should be the great opportunity where we are going to make the trades. Reversal kind of trade. And we find out some stocks today. And let's look at that Navin Chloride. We already seen the 15 minutes time frame. It's a great opportunity. And 5 minutes also it was giving you some trade around some point of time. This is what the spinning top which is happening on Bollinger Band. Right, I think this one. And another some other stocks which I focus SRT. SRT which is triggers you the sale opportunity around 1 to 9. This one. We seen but we was late. But this thing which I'm going to create in a charting, that may be giving you some great opportunity to make a trades by using the Bollinger Band for a lower Bollinger Band. That always giving you the better chances to make money. That I'm going to make it on the scanner on my next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, kindly hit the like button. If you like the video, share to your friends. If you have any questions or a doubt, just comment in the comment box. And I have changed my mic, so can you suggest my how the audio and video clarity, if anything, so you can comment on the comment. Thank you for watching this, and thank you very much.